Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress in IONOS. It's very easy. What I want you to do is first click on menu once you have signed up, and then click here on websites and shops. Now, they'll actually prompt you to give your project a name, and WordPress will also be installed as well. Okay, so you just name your product. I'll name this our channel name, answer ASAP, and then I'll click here on Start WordPress Installation. And then, of course, WordPress is going to be installed, so just give this a little bit of time for it to process everything. It should now prompt you to connect your website to your domain, so you can click here on Connect Domain. We have this one already available that we got through IONOS, so I'll click on this one, right? And then it should redirect you to this page. As you can see, the domain connection is being updated, right? And you can review all of these settings while it updates. This is how long domain updates are usually supposed to take according to IONOS, so we'll have to come back to this later. Okay, so I checked back, and for me it took about 20 minutes. And then what you can do is right here, click on Open WordPress, and it will open up this new tab right here. And here we have our WordPress dashboard. As you can see, it has been installed to our IONOS website. And that is how to install WordPress in IONOS.